She gives Naofumi the Filolial shield tree, which is also really interesting.
Does that mean he can summon the birds and they'll come and they'll attack?
I don't want to say too much.
That means yes. Easter egg bunnies, go!
That's how they sound like. They just sound like screaming dudes. Just. What is that horrid noise? It's the Filolials. They're coming.
Are you kidding me?
Take cover, everyone.
If they sounded like that, no one would want to fight them.
Oh my god.
People would run just by that sound alone.
Oh, I can't. Oh, I'm lightheaded. Besides. Satsuki is like, I am unamused.
No, I'm just trying to picture that shit in my head. Like that would be terrible.
See, you can see it too. You can see it's like you just hear a rumbling. Just oh no, what's that in the distance?
Oh man, and then the CGI would be bad too.
And it's just their mouths. Their mouths are just like latched open.
And they're colorful just like that too.
Oh no, I've heard of this before. Everyone take cover.
It does not end pretty. Oh. All right.
It's a stampede, everyone.